Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in ways that are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started.
In today's episode of Tech Tip for Entrepreneurs, we're going to be talking about TikTok basics and how to get started with TikTok. So I already have the TikTok app open, and once you see, you'll start with a video that TikTok has recommended to you. And what you can do from here is you can click on, if you like this video, you can click on the plus icon and that will automatically follow the person for you. You can like the video by clicking on the heart. You can comment on the video by clicking the chat bubble, and then you can send this to someone by clicking on that button right there. If you want to use the sound from there, you can click on that button on the bottom right. And then next we're going to move on to the navigation buttons. Now the home screen is the bottom left. Discover if you want to search by hashtag or a certain phrase. Inbox if you have any messages to look at, and then profile is going to be how you change your profile. Now, if you want to create your own TikTok video, you're going to click on the plus icon. And then from there, you can be able to add a sound. And then you can flip the camera to be in selfie mode. You can put how fast you want the video to be. Beauty is going to do some touch up for you. Filters, if you want to check out any filters that you want to change it to. Timer is going to be a timer delay. Flash is going to turn on the flash or not. And then next, you're going to have effects that you can change it to. And then if you want to upload any photos from your camera roll, then you can choose between a 60-minute TikTok, a 15-second TikTok, or any templates that TikTok has uploaded. And then after you press that, you press record. That's going to start your first clip. So I've started my first clip and I can press stop. And you can see in the top that my timer is telling me how much time I have left in this TikTok movie. Now remember, a TikTok can be made up of multiple clips. So I can make another video, stop it, and then make another video, stop it. And once I'm happy with that, I can click that check icon, and this is the preview screen. And then from there, you can add more stuff to it. You can see on the right here, filters, clips, voice effects, voiceover, captions, and then stuff near the bottom. Then you press next, and then it's gonna have you make a title, and you can see this. Can you allow comments, duets? And then once you're satisfied with all that, you need to save it to your drafts or post it immediately for people to watch on TikTok. All right, that's it for this video on how to use TikTok and the basics of how to do it. If you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comments below.
Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. Alright, see you in the next one.